Money. Who couldn't use a little bit more of it? Whether you are saving for a down payment, arranging a wedding, trying to pay off debt, will those student loans ever go away? Or putting a little money aside for a rainy day, a little additional money can go a long way. Of course, your daily work might help you pay for the necessities, but a side business is the game changer that will make a difference in your wallet, while giving you the freedom you have always needed. So here's a list of the best simple business ideas that'll help you make more money. Before we dive in, welcome to Flawless Finances, your source of financial education. If you want to keep growing your financial assets, smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's get started. Number 1, video coverage business. If you're out of college or university and looking towards a business that you can effectively build a long-term career with, begin a video coverage business. Learn everything you can by obtaining training on camera work and filmmaking before you effectively launch this type of business. You can advertise your services to those arranging weddings, birthday parties, anniversaries, and other special occasions. One of the ways that you can market this business is to have a heavy internet presence. This means that you have to make your business known through the different social media platforms accessible. Number 2, virtual assistants. Getting to be a virtual assistant is another amazing business idea for a person who wants to earn a good salary. A few active business individuals or organizations are willing to contract and pay virtual assistants to handle a few of their job responsibilities. If you know you have the best expertise or skills, then you'll earn good money as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can handle different work roles for a lot of clients from the web. You can handle roles such as responding to emails, online marketing, item posting, web page editing or upgrading, blogger outreach, research, and report compositions. Number 3, stock brokerage. The stock brokerage business is a profitable business like every other money-making venture. However, it has its own challenges. This is due to the fact that the market is not static. Stock values fluctuate up and down. You don't need an office once you've made your decision. Simply look for a respectable stock brokerage business to deal with. The more clients you can persuade to invest in the stock market, the more money you'll make. Number 4, homeschool assistance. The pandemic lockdowns helped many parents realize that homeschooling their kids suits them better than traditional schooling. This means that the family will require plenty of additional services in-house, many of which parents may be wary about. Providing online mentoring, tutoring, or activity services to this market may be the next big thing. In addition, subscription services such as printers and ink supplies, stationery, and furnishings are required to make teaching from home viable. You can start this business by providing online or in-person music lessons, language tutoring, or more. According to Forbes, experts predict e-learning revenues will increase to $325 billion by 2025, which means you should join this educational gold rush before the market becomes oversaturated with the competition. Number 5, selling houseplants. Who knew that houseplants would be in such high demand? A Zoom call feels incomplete unless it has at least one plant-laden bookshelf appear on the screen. Be a part of the green revolution by providing the newest in vogue houseplants, or provide a subscription rental service to keep your clients up to date on the current trends. Plantify, a South African firm, is doing exactly that, and has expanded into pot plants, plant rental, and lots of indoor plants. You'll need to do plenty of research to build up the knowledge you'll need to keep your plants healthy and thriving. It's a thriving industry in every corner of the world. Number 6, party equipment rentals. Renting party supplies has become a huge business, especially in many big cities. Party planners demand canopies, chairs, stage platforms, ice blocks, drums, cooking utensils, tablecloths, and other party equipment. There isn't a weekend that goes by without a party. The first step is to learn about the costs charged for products and how long they are valid. Then you should look into how much it'll cost to make or buy some of these products. The amount you earn is dependent on the number of clients you have. Number 7, latest smart accessory. To work in the IT supply chain, you don't have to be the next Steve Jobs. You may, however, follow his coattails all the way to the bank. If you have the latest tech accessories on board, you may get your phone covers, replacement chargers, and screen protectors built and on the market before anybody else. The first step toward success is being aware of what is being introduced next and putting together a manufacturing contract. If you like this video so far, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now let's talk about our 8th spot on the list. Number 8, meal prep services. COVID has proved the importance of health to all of us. However, the pressure to eat healthy and nutritious food while also working and trying harder creates stress around meals for many busy persons. Fill this void by reviving some of your grandmother's nutritious recipes. giving them a modern health twist and providing home-cooked meal services. Sign up clients by the week or month and supply frozen or fresh meals that are ready to microwave and eat, but without the chemicals and letdown that supermarket-ready meals offer. Number 9. Blogging. No doubt blogging is open to all. The best way to create a blog is by making convenient and perhaps educational content for a targeted audience on the web. As a young person, if you think that you have good information on a specific subject, you'll make cash by sharing your knowledge with a wide range of audiences through your blog. This is how making cash from blogging works. If you have good content on your blog, lots of people will visit your blog. The bigger the traffic for your blog, the more cash you may make. If your blog draws in tremendous traffic, you'll draw in adverts from the top corporate organizations. Moreover, you'll win cash from your blog through AdSense by offering subscription services to individuals and selling your items through your blog. Number 10. Printing and selling GSM recharge card vouchers. Printing GSM recharge vouchers might also be interpreted as printing money. We are all aware that GSM recharge cards are the most popular commodity in the country today. Assume you are capable of generating GSM recharge vouchers for usage in your area. You may start your own business printing recharge cards. You may generate and sell recharge vouchers for any MTN, Globacom, Starcom, and Airtel card. As a result, there will never be a lack of recharge cards. Number 11. Tech support company for the elderly. Not everyone knows the difference between hard drives and software. However, hard drives and software are two terms that everyone knows. While technology is always changing, there comes the point when many individuals abandon trying to stay current. Consider all of the baby boomer generation who are about to retire but still need to upgrade their phone every 2 years or stay up to date with the latest app their relatives are using to communicate. Provide online or on-site tech help for basic PC maintenance. To make money in technology, you do not need to work on company networking security initiatives. Setting up grandma's cameras or purchasing a new phone can earn you some money. It's a really scalable business, and if you establish the right pricing for your area, you could be booked up in a second. Number 12. Sell honey. Honey is having another moment. Customers are becoming aware that much of the honey sold in grocery stores contains more flavored sugar than honey, and has no dietary value because it's so processed. As a result, there could be a huge market open for an immaculate honey supply. Beekeeping or hive clearing is one way to get to the liquid gold, while others transport hives around the countryside, helping farmers get to the work of the master pollinators seasonally. The hive owner procures the rewards with free pollen to make honey. Start small, and this business can rapidly turn into a hive of wealth. Number 13. Real estate business. The boom in the property sector continues. It is amazing that in the face of the expanded cost of land and property in the real estate segment, there's really a huge opportunity for many who know the privileged insights of getting it cheap, when others are still ignorant and selling high after that. After all, that's what real estate is all about. As a new entrant into the industry, all you need to do is to be the link between the buyer and the seller, and you're entitled to a specific commission. Number 14. Start a food truck. The lowly food truck isn't as much about mom and pops as we originally thought, and thanks to the pandemic, outdoor eating is more popular than ever. These mobile gold mines are making millions when business people get it right. Experts expect that the U.S. food truck industry alone will reach a value of $996.2 million. So if you need to cash in on the wave, the time is now. Number 15. High-risk services. Do you have a love of heights or no fear of wild creatures? Then high-risk services may well be a great fit and a profitable market for you. There's a growing number of big cat owners all over the globe and other intriguing pets requiring grooming. Also in the area are a growing number of high-rise buildings, although the same can be said for most city skylines. With all that, there are many window washing positions, and companies pay huge cash to contractors willing to take on the specialized job because, well, no one is lining up for the work. Even if you already earn a steady paycheck, but want some extra cash, that side job might come in handy. That's it for today's episode. I hope we've given you some food for thought. Let us know by subscribing to the Flawless Finances channel and hit that bell for notifications. What can you suggest that will help people earn some money? We would love to hear your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.